welcome back. Today we're going to make a little leaf out of this 1/2 inch round mild steel. Alright, forge a sharp point. Alright, I'm going to bring it to the near edge of the anvil. I'm going to make a second set down. Alright, I'm going to put it on the diagonal. Alright, here we go. There's our little leaf. This one turned out pretty good. I will say I'm a little rusty at forging leaves. I haven't done very many recently. But this one turned out good. And the way I have this set up with that loop there, this could be a pendant or it could be a keychain. I like doing these because drawing out that thin tail and curling it up is good practice for hammer control, and I enjoy it. If you want to keep updated with my latest work, make sure to follow me on Instagram, and to see more videos, please subscribe, and then if you'd like, leave a like, drop a comment, and I really appreciate that. Thank you for watching.